Okay, so we need to be a right command over here, that is called start. After that dot your no, I think so we need to be put over here start. After that hyphen dfs dot cmd. So I am right now starting my Hadoop distribution file system. When you start that, you have already present one cmd and extra two cmd will be open, means it will become right now, after later it will become right now 3 cmd. Let me hit enter button. Okay, wait little bit, let him do the process, because we are right now distributing to the your data, isn't it? So wait little bit, minimize that, don't click to the the don't close that any window. So right now you are already done that a dfs. Right now you are going to be a start your yarn means what, it will be a your that how many nodes are available, how many things are available, it will be check that. Okay, so let me put over here start hyphen yarn, and that I want to open with my cmd. Are you getting? So hit enter button again, extra two your cmd will be open. So how many cmd it will become right now? 5 cmds. Okay, or 2 cmds for your yarn, 2 cmds for your dfs, and 1 cmd is your main one where you are doing to the giving a commands. Are you getting that? Okay, now when you everything is done, check also physically it's done or not, isn't it? How we can check to the physically? Go to the your chrome browser, okay, and check over here your local host. Okay, so I'm searching over here local host 9870. It is your Hadoop is working or not. If suppose this type was working, means what happened, your Hadoop is properly work. Okay, now check your yarn also, which one we are telling machines are checking. So that purpose we have to the local host, that is called 8088. See the Hadoop yarn also, which one means clustering also are open. See over here we can check that, where is that, which machine is working right now and everything. Suppose I'm clicking on, I want to be check over here nodes. Okay, so when I'm clicking on the nodes, you can see, is it data is present? No, let me check in the name node. Okay, let me check new, and again over here. Okay, it should be the show the nodes. Let me check. Ha, see over here, check it over here, dump data and everything. So a lot of stuffs are present. Okay, so let me go back step, it should be the show proper nodes. Let me check over here in data node. See, I can see over here data node is using, which one is the Rohit one. Okay, and I have to the capacity 150 GB. Okay, so it is storing a lot of stuff. Okay, let's go to do the little bit practical. Okay, after this one, let's took to the start your cmd. This one we done. Okay, all explanation are there, we done your yarn also. After that we open using by your local host also. So over here first stuff is done, you done completely properly, open the Hadoop. Right now let's store to the data inside of that. So check to the version again, when you coming again back, check to the properly version. After that check to the Hadoop version. Now cmd, go again over there. Now after that, when it will done, make to the directory. Right now if you can see over here, if you can go to their data node, after that utilities, and after inside of the browser you can see there is nothing, there we don't have any folder, isn't it? Means this is normal Hadoop we have. So first, before we are going, we need to make your first folder inside of that. How you can able to make a folder? Okay, see over here we have to the command is present, that is we call as a HDFS dfs hyphen mkdir, making directory. Okay, space after hyphen my data, means you are giving a name for your directory, that is called to the my data. Directory means what, you are making one folder, that name is what, my data. Let's do that, help for me. HDFS space, after that what, DFS space hyphen mkdir, means what, I am right now making a directory which name is, you can see the name is what, my data. Okay, my data. Hit enter button, you can see it is take a little bit time. Okay, check over here, see the directory is complete. Are you getting or not? So even check also, go to the over here in your browser, again refresh your window, things refresh your window. What happened, it is showing over here my data, isn't it? means over here the folder is created in your Hadoop. Okay, so folder is created. Now let's go to the next step. Okay, my folder is ready, my directory is ready. Right now I want to check also that folder without, if suppose I don't have this surface, isn't it, then how I can check to the that folder is available or not? Then go back again over here in your command prompt and write to the one command that is called HDFS DFS hyphen ls. Ls means what? I want to be a list of my directory. So HDFS space DFS after, okay, DFS space hyphen ls, okay, list of items. Okay, then after hit enter button, you can see over here, isn't it? So how many, wait little bit, I did the mistake. Okay, okay, sorry for the disturbance, I checked the problem. What happened, I did not use over here the space. Okay, the space are important. So let's go back again over here. We are using HDFS, then again again DFS, then again your space hyphen ls, and then again your space, and then over here one your forward slash, isn't it? Use enter button, you can able to see. Okay, it's still not coming. No, you can see over here the I have to give found one item that is called your name is my data. Are you getting or not? We are making one folder that name is what, my data. So what it is showing properly in your CMD also which kind of folder is available, and it is showing inside of your virtually also over there, isn't it? Means over here also it's virtually showing, isn't it? Now we created folder. Right now let's put inside of something data also, isn't it, like a file or something. So let's go over here. So how we can do that? Suppose previously before that create one file that is called a text file. Let's put this text file inside of that. Okay, so minimize this all things which one I have. Okay, let me create over here one file. So I'm saying that I want to make one file that is called text file. I will be give that file name as a test, isn't it? Are you getting? This is the test file I have. Okay, let me put it over here also. Let me check what file I took over here, test1 file. Okay, so let me put it over here also, the test1 file. So what happened, you will be not getting any error. Even what happened, if suppose anyone following my notes, they also not getting any problem. Okay, so text node one file I made it. Let me create inside of something. Okay, like suppose something, this is Hadoop. I am learning. Okay, so this is Hadoop I am learning. Let me change to the spellings. Learning. Okay, I am, it's like this with the apostrophe, right? So apostrophe is there. I'm learning this one. Control S saved. Right now I'm closing my this one. So right now what happened, this file I want to be put inside of that folder. So how we can do that? Simply go again back your CMD where we have to the command prompt and write over here this command. What command we need to be write? We need to write this command, HDFS DFS put command we are using for put your file over there. Okay, so let me put over here file. So HDFS after DFS, then again I want to be a hyphen put. Okay, so I want to be a put that file. Okay, file is what, where that file is available. My file is available over here, C drive, user, student, desktop. Are you getting? So where is my is available? So I will be a right click on that file. I will be see to the properties, and you can see this is exactly the location. Are you getting? Okay, so right now this file is located over here. Right click, I want to be a copy this path. Okay, then again I am going over here in the CMD. I will be right click over here. Are you getting? The path is there. Many times if it not working, then remove this OneDrive, isn't it? So let me remove right now OneDrive, because what happened, I have in the desktop directly, isn't it? So Rohit, after I have in the desktop, and after this desktop you can see over here, after this desktop I want to be write what is my file name, isn't it? And this is my exactly file name. Okay, so let me go over here. Okay, this is my file name. Okay, so I want to use over here one slash also, and then when I'm writing to the my file name like a text1.txt, then again give to the one space, and after where exactly the folder name. So my folder name is what, my data. Means I have the, right now you can see this is the HDFS. I want to be a put file, and where I want to be a put file, this is the location, original location of my file in my desktop, and after later I want to be a put inside of the virtual machines which one I made it, my data, isn't it? Okay, so after when you complete hit enter button. Okay, hit enter button, it will be take little bit time. Okay, you can see no such kind of directory is present. My data is directory is not present. Let me check that why it's not present. Okay, so which one we made it? Okay, my data only is there. Refresh. Okay, let me go inside of that. Okay, it's not there. Let me go back again over here. Okay, it is command is right. Okay, HDFS DFS put space after that. This one is it text one is there. Okay, text one is there. Let me check properly. Okay, text one only, test one, not text. Are you getting? Test one. Okay, so let me go back again over here. See, okay, test one only. Yeah, it's the same. Test one dot txt. I have to the my folder that is named my data. I think so I want to put over here proper path. So let me take this path. Okay, I want to be put OneDrive also, because the original location is this one. Let me copy again back. Okay, so I want to be remove this my path. Okay, this one, let me put it again back over here, the path back. Okay, and after let me hit enter button. Let me check right now, enter. Okay, see, it is went properly. The path is not right previously, isn't it? Right now, I want to be check also virtually is present or not. Check it over here, refresh one time. I have to the data, my data, and inside you can see I have to the proper test file is there. Okay, and if you can click inside, I want to be check header file. You can see this is I have the file. This is my Hadoop. I am learning, right? Means what happened right now? If you are deleting from your desktop, also it is present over there. Are you understand? Okay, let me close it this all stuff right now. Sir, professor, you are watching from over here because we have to the this surface is available, the which one we can watch, but can you show in the CMD also? Yes, we can do that. That purpose also we have to the command are present. See, we need to use to the cat command. Cat command we are using whenever we want to be a watch something, whenever we want to be read something file. Okay, so see over here, so we need to be a right, that is command hd. See, HDFS space, after that what, your DFS, then again over here cat command we are using for watch purpose. Okay, now write your file folder. My folder is what over here, isn't it? My folder is from, this is the path which one you are writing from to the your Hadoop. Okay, so see over here, this is my folder in my data. Inside of the my data I have to the text that file that I want to be read. Okay, let me come to the end point and I want to be hit enter button. Wait little bit, you can see no such kind of directory is present. Folder where I have to the text1.txt is present. Refresh. Yes, is there. Even if you can see this is the path. Okay, I understand what is the problem. Check it over here. If I'm going back, see the path is what, my data, and after desktop also is there, isn't it? So I want to put to the this path. I understand. Always, you need to be a check properly your path. So let me go over here again. I want to be read a little bit. I want to do the changes. So I have over here. Okay, I have over here my data desktop and then this file. Okay, so let me come to the over here at the end and let me hit enter button. Isn't it? This is Hadoop I am learning, isn't it? Always maybe I am making mistake in the path, so check that path is important. Okay, so after when we are finishing, okay, over here you are understand how we can have into the file, isn't it? Means what we learn, we on your Hadoop, after that we made it one folder, then after we put it file inside of that. Right now we read also that file, and last time we need to be a delete that also, isn't it? So how we can delete? We need to write over HDFS DFS hyphen RM hyphen R and the data. Okay, so let me write over here command, that is what HD, sorry, one second, HDFS after space, then again hyphen, isn't it? It's not hyphen, DFS, then again your hyphen, that RM and remove. Are you getting? RM means remove my directory, isn't it? My directory name is what? My directory name is my data, isn't it? Directly I'm deleting my main directory. Let me hit enter button. You can see it will be removing. See, delete my data, isn't it? Now check also over here, go back to the your over here and just go to the again back your Hadoop or something, go back again over here. Okay, see over here, Hadoop, you can see right now it's not present your Hadoop my data, isn't it? Okay, the end section when it's finished, you need to use over here one command that is called stop hyphen all dot cmd. Okay, means what happen? Your all cmds will be a stopping over here. Now check over here, use to the enter button and see over here all cmds are stopped. Okay, now after that you can able to close also. Okay.